Okay guys, today we want to go over the proper application of the Inlei Filler 3 for optimal results for your clients. So you want to take a couple drops and put it in your dish, and then take some micro brushes, and slowly from root to tip you want to penetrate and push the product in, lash by lash. Thanks to the 3-generation complex and to the proper preparation of eyelashes, it guarantees a stable result and great effectiveness of nourishment, thickening, giving new silkiness to the eyelashes. And because this treatment has the ability to reach up to the hair bulb, feeding them and also working in the following months after the treatment on the structure of the hair bulb itself, because it promotes proliferation of the keratinite sites in the hair. So you do want to make sure that that product is getting right massaged into the root of the hair. About 5 to 7 minutes per eye, you want to work with Filler 3.